Welcome to the Big White Repair Shop, which is located downstairs in the Village Centre Mall. You know, that building with the big clock on top of it. Skiing and snowboarding is our life here at Big White Ski Resort, but it is really important to make sure that you maintain your equipment, because properly looked after gear is the best way to make sure you capitalise on your time up on the hill. Ski and board maintenance is something which should be done very regularly. Well, at least a lot more regularly than most people realise. Waxes are often left on boards or skis for weeks on end, when realistically for the best performers this should be done once per week. And the best people to wrangle that task is this lot. And as for your tune-ups, we have a $300,000 world-class Winter Steiger Mercury robot here at Big White. And there are not many machines that are better to keep your skis or snowboard in nick. It is customizable to either your own custom preference or even to race specifications. And the best part is, it's fast. Very fast, ensuring you have as little time off the hill as possible. But that isn't all we do here. We also do binding adjustments and calibrations, binding mount or remounts, single pole basket installation, and any repairs from small epoxy fixes to larger scale maintenance such as top sheet repairs or edge replacements. Pretty much if there's anything not quite right with your gear, then these are the people to see, and I'm sure you will all find it surprisingly affordable.